Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to PATTAY'S apartment. Today in the driveway, on the back of Mandingo, is this beautiful Stihl FS55R. Needs a new carburetor. It runs. Take my word for it, you can see all of this around here, okay? This thing is just spitting fuel out of the exhaust no matter how much I try to adjust the carb. Also, at times, it is hard to prime as well. I had a gentleman stop by the other day. He's not a gentleman, he's a young kid. He is more affluent and two-cycle than me, and he spoke about this. Oh, look at this. You can see the air. Can you see that? Wow, there's the leak. You can see it leaking. Let me see. Hold on. Let me try and see if I can trigger the bubbles. This was bubbling. Uh-oh. This was bubbling. So this plastic block here is leaking as well. Anyway, we gotta fix it. I cannot sell it like that. Went on good old eBay at Joe in China and got this carb kit. I think it was like less than 15 bucks. I will put the affiliate link in the description if this works. Alright, I do have a good feeling it does work. I do have some great success with aftermarket carbs in general. I cannot speak about the longevity, but let's see what this kit has and what we're going to use out of it. Okay, primer bulbs. Backups, we'll save those. Spark plug, not really. Not a fan of the Chinese spark plugs. Okay, look at this fuel line kit. Pretty intimidating because I've never seen one, but now that it's all in one piece, it actually looks really, really good. Fuel filter, which will attach to the fuel line. And then we have the carburetor itself. Is it adjustable like the other one? And there it is. It is adjustable. High, low, and idle. Perfect. Can't get any better than OEM, and your gap is there. I am really feeling really, really good about this. We have to send our Rode microphone in for some warranty work. I am using a boom mic, so hopefully it kind of knocks out a lot of this traffic. If not, my apologies. But we're going to have to remove the carburetor. I'm going to start with this air filter right here. These look like an 8mm. We'll take those off first. Alrighty. So we're going to zip these off. This is a short socket. I can use these if you want, but it is not necessary. Let's take off these nuts. Set those aside so we don't lose them. We're going to pull our cover off. Right that. Gasket's still there. Still in good shape. I hate two-cycle. If you're new to the channel, you know. Alright, so let's disconnect this one fuel line. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright, it wants to pull off this whole assembly. Let's not. And let's pull out this entire carb. Undo this here and call it a day. Gasket again in good shape. We'll just leave it. I hate touching gaskets, but let's see. Let's do this one. This one's simple enough. No, wrong one. This one is different. Is there another one hiding in here? Now, these gaskets are different, so make sure you don't damage your gaskets. And then here, we're going to do our fuel line. So the coil goes on the bottom and the smooth one goes on top. Alright, so we are just going to take a small flat tip screwdriver and we're just going to pry this out. And there she is. And there is our, oh, look at this. This is aftermarket. Let's see if this carb, oh, this is in Zama carb. Let's take our, that's funny. So we'll just stick this on here. That fuel filter is probably good. Anyway, stick this on there. And then we will press it in. And remember, the coil goes to the bottom. Ah, there we go. I don't even need, oh, this is a perfect fit. Usually I have to work my screwdriver around. We do not need to do that. I'm going to take our OEM one. You see this tip here? This is our opening for this here. So we're just going to slide this in. And we will push those to the side. And this will go here. Hey. Come on. Come on, you little bugger. It's a little finicky. Little finicky. Get these fuel lines out of the way. Remember, these gaskets don't match up from the aftermarket kit to the OEM kit. So you gotta make sure you do them right. Okay. Remember, this goes here. I honestly don't like how they have these routed. Let's do this one. And this one. Come on, baby, go in. Like so. Man, that's like crappy routing. Let's see if we can prime. See the fuel? Oh, we have a winner. Let's check the throttle. Squeeze the throttle. It's moving. Fantastico. Now, do you guys think we're going to have to make some adjustments? Let's get you guys here. Excuse me. On my way. Take our two screws. Now I don't have skinny fingers, so I'm just going to try and stick them in the socket. You see, I'm not using my ratchet, I'm using it by hand. And I'm going to see if I can get the nut to catch, which it did. And we'll do the same thing. There, I'm going to try and catch it. Nice and snug. This is 35 inch. This ratchet is 35 foot-pounds, which is a lot. So I'm just snugging it back, you know, not full pressure. And that should be it. Now when we have to tune this carburetor, right, be very wary that we need to. Look at that, the air filter is perfect. When you tune a carburetor, air filter must be installed. That's if this thing even needs any adjustments. Let me clear my workspace. Sorry, I don't need to talk, but I love this tool set. I feel like a doctor. You know, every time I roll this out, it's like a cute little, it's like, you know, like a doctor, it's like scalpel, like proper doctor. And here's your 5-tip screwdriver. Alright, anyway, let me get you guys backed up a little bit and we're going to fire in the hole. Alright guys, what do you think? Winner chicken dinner or done? We shall see if this aftermarket carburetor works as intended. Time for a good time. Choke up. Forgot which one is the on position. We'll see. Try the other one. Which one is on for stuff? So it should be down. I don't think I need to do anything to it. Idle's good because if you guys see, look, it's on the move. So that's dialed in. Just so you guys know. This is what gets me every time. This is the start position and the O is off. Alright guys, nice and easy, cheap, quick and easy. Thank you, see you later, love you, bye. I'll put an affiliate link in the description for this carburetor from the same exact seller that I bought it from. If you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.